Hi students, welcome to Vidya Lakshmi YouTube channel. I am Jagdishan, Maths department. Today we have to continuation of last class. Already we learned, நம்ம already படிச்சிருக்கோம் compound interest ல வந்து how to calculate per annum, per half yearly, per quarterly. இப்போ அதோட continuation பார்க்கலாம். Difference between compound interest and simple interest. First we'll read the statement one by one. There is no difference in compound interest and simple interest for the first year of the first conversion period. First year la vandu endha changes me irukadu. So we'll go for second year. For 2 years the difference in compound interest and simple interest is compound interest minus simple interest equal to p into r by 100 whole square. Next for 3 years p into r by 100 whole square into 3 plus r by 100, that is only added things. இதுக்கு நான் டிஃபரன்ஸ் பார்த்தனா இந்த ஒரே ஒரு பார்ட் மட்டும் தான். ஓகே, இது இல்லாம எழுதுனா அது 2 இயர்ஸ், இதோட சேர்த்து எழுதுனா 3 இயர்ஸ். ஓகே, ஆல்ரெடி உங்களுக்கு காம்பவுண்ட் இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட்க்கு ஃபார்முலா தெரியும். வாட்ஸ் a compound interest formula? amount minus principal. அமௌண்ட்க்கு நமக்கு ஆல்ரெடி தெரியும் ஃபார்முலா. ஓகே, p into 1 plus r by 100 whole power n minus p. நெக்ஸ்ட் சிம்பிள் இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட்க்கு உங்களுக்கு தெரியும் p into n into r by 100. ஓகே, இப்போ இது ரெண்டுத்துக்கு டிஃபரன்ஸ் வந்து பார்த்தோன்னா 1 இயர் வந்து நோ சேஞ்சஸ். இப்போ செகண்ட் இயருக்கு மட்டும் இது பார்த்துக்கலாம், இந்த ஃபார்முலா யூஸ் பண்ணி நம்ம சால்வ் பண்ணிடலாம். ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் வில் கோ டு ப்ராப்ளம். ஓகே, ஃபைண்ட் த டிஃபரன்ஸ் இன் காம்பவுண்ட் இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் அண்ட் சிம்பிள் இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் ஃபார் p equal to rupees 5000, r equal to 4%, n equal to 2 years. For 2 years we have to find. Okay, solution. Okay, first of all write down the given principal value equal to rupees 5000, r equal to 4%, n equal to 2 years. They are asking for 2 years. For 2 years. So write down the formula for 2 years. So compound interest minus simple interest equal to p into r by 100 whole square. So write down the values. What's the principal? 5000 into r is 4. So 4 by 100 whole square. Now you can cancel 4 and 100 using 2 table as well as 4th table. Okay, I will cancel in 4th table. 1 times 25 times. So what is the next step? 5000 into 1 by 25 we should write 2 times because power is 2. So 1 by 25 we should write 2 times. 1 by 25 into 1 by 25. First I will cancel with either 5 table or 25 table. I will cancel with the highest common factor. So 1 times in 52 times, rest of the zeros should carry. Again 25 table, you know in 100 4 times, for 200 8 times. So 8 into 1 into 1. So finally we got for 2 years rupees 8. So what is the difference between compound interest and simple interest for 2 years? Rupees 8 for the given data. Okay, next we will go to next sum. Next sum. Okay, what is the next sum? Find the difference in compound interest and simple interest for rupees 8000, rate of interest 5%, number of years equal to 3. So we have to find for 3 years. So you should apply for 3 years formula. Solution. For 3 years, compound interest minus simple interest equal to p into r by 100 whole square. We should add 3 plus r by 100. Okay, now substitute the value. What's the principal they given? 8000 into r they given 5. So 5 by 100 whole square into 3 plus r they given 5. So 5 by 100. So we should cancel 5 and 100 in 5 table. So 1 times 20 times, again 1 times and 20 times. So 8000 into, so 1 by 20 we should write 2 times. So 1 by 20 into 1 by 20 into, so 3 plus 1 by 20, take cross product. 3 20 is 60, 60 plus 1 61. So So 61 by 20. Okay. Next we should apply cancellation. 1010 cancel, 1010 cancel, again 1010 cancel. Next we know 2 cube is 8. So finally we will get rupees 61. So for 3 years, what's the compound interest and simple interest for difference? Rupees 81. Okay, next we will move to next one. Okay, a principal becomes rupees 2028 in 2 years at 4% per annum compound interest. Find the principal. Instead of they given what compound amount, usually வந்து நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம்னா principal கொடுத்துருவாங்க, rate of interest கொடுத்துருவாங்க, number of years கொடுத்துருவாங்க, நம்ம compound amount find out பண்ணுவோம், இல்லைனா interest find out பண்ணுவோம். ஆனால் இந்த question என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, the given principal becomes, அப்போ principal becomes is nothing but compound amount. The given compound amount and the number of years and the rate of interest, we should find principal. So use a given. So solution, the given compound amount. So compound amount equal to rupees 2028, n equal to 2 years, r equal to 4%. We should find principal. So principal is question. They are asking for compound annum. So you should use compound annually form. That means per year. Per annum is nothing but per year. Okay. So P into 1 plus r by 100. Okay, this is only formula for what? Compound amount. Compound amount. Now substitute the value. So P into 1 plus r they given 4 by 100 whole power n they given 2. They given compound amount. What is the compound amount? Rupees 2028. Okay, 4 and 100 coming in fourth table, 1 times 25 times. So P into, so 25 1 are 25, 25 plus 1 26. 26 by 25 whole square equal to rupees 228. So P equal to 2028. Okay, what into goes to divide. For divide you have to take reciprocal. So what's the reciprocal of 26 by 25? 25 by 26 whole square. Now expand and simplify. 2028 into 25 by 26 into 25 by 26. Okay, we should apply, we should cancel in 2 table or 4 table as well as 13th table also we should cancel it, but I will multiply cancellation. So 2028 into, we know 25 into 25 625. So 26 into 26 676. So we should cancellation 1 times 3 times. So use rough column. So 625 into 3 15, on carry over 7 18. So 1875 for principal value. Okay, I hope you all enjoyed. Thank you. Stay safe. We'll see you in the next class. Thank you.